Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I trust you all are doing great. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make this delicious groundnut soup. Groundnut soup is very delicious even with few ingredients. So guys, let's dive into the video. So firstly, I added my groundnut into my fry pan. I'm just going to fry this a bit. I'm frying this for like 2 to 3 minutes. I just want it to hot. Then after frying it, I will have to transfer it into my blender, then blend it very smooth. Then I will set that aside. So into my pot, I added my protein. I'm using beef, cow meat, and mackerel fish. So after adding my protein, I went in with my chopped onions and fresh habanero pepper. Then I go in with my seasoning and salt. So I'm just going to add water and allow this to cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to take the fish out because I don't want the fish to get scattered. So this was about 5 minutes. So I'm just going to take out the fish. Okay. Then after removing the fish, I will add in more water to allow my meat to cook until it's very soft and tender. So at this point, our meat is nicely cooked. Then I added Lucost beans. Guys, I always like to use Lucost beans for my groundnut soup. Then after adding Lucost beans, I went in with chili powder. Then added my palm oil. I'm just going to stir this together. Then I will cover it to cook for some minutes. So I went in with more seasoning cube and salt because the one I added before was not enough. Then I will go in with my nicely blended groundnuts. So after adding the blended groundnut, I will just stir this, then allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So the next thing, I added my boiled mackerel fish. Then I went in with my washed bitter leaf. Then after adding it, I will just give this a good mix. Then allow it to cook for extra 5 to 8 minutes. And guys, our delicious groundnut soup is ready. Guys, look at that. This soup was so delicious. Groundnut soup is very delicious. Even with just few ingredients, you will still feel it. You will feel the taste. So guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.